Hello everyone, today we are doing parametric men's trousers drawing. First, we open the table edit. Here we can manually enter the sizes of each part, or open our pre-prepared Excel spreadsheet. Then we can click on this color to edit the color of different sizes. Right-click on the size section. It can be set as a base code as needed. Now we delete the blank sizes first, and then click OK. Next, we check whether the Formula Method and Free Method switch button is open. Ensure it's on before we start drawing. We start drawing. Use the Intelligent Pen tool. Click any position. Right-click to switch to a T-line tool. Click any position. Enter the formula. Standing crotch length minus waist width plus 0.35 centimeter ease. OK. Then place the Intelligent Pen tool at this point. Press Enter. Enter the formula on the y-axis. Negative open parenthesis pants length minus waist width close parenthesis. OK. Then connect this line to the previously drawn line. Right-click the blank area. Then place the Intelligent Pen tool at the position we just connected. Right-click to switch to the T-line tool and draw a horizontal line. Enter the formula. Hip circumference divided by 4 minus 1 plus 0.6. OK. Then we can right-click this point and drag to create a right angle. Right-click again and switch to the shape we are satisfied with and connect it here. Then continue drawing the crotch line. Move the Intelligent Pen tool from this point to the left. Right-click to switch to the T-line tool. Draw a line. Click it. Enter the formula. Hip circumference divided by 20 minus 1. OK. Next, use the divider tool. To divide this part into 3 equal parts. To locate the crotch line, press number 3 on the keyboard, and then click the basic line. Right-click the blank area to switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. At the 2/3 mark, right-click the mouse to connect here, and draw our hip line. Next, we use the point tool. From this point, find the 0.7 position to the left. OK. Then we use the divider tool. Divide this 0.7 segment and this point into 2 equal parts. We enter the number 2 on the keyboard. Then drag from this point to that point. Then we divide the position of our hip line and the width of the trouser opening. To make a bisect, then we use the intelligent pen tool. And press Enter at this point. Enter our translation amount 5 on the y-axis. OK. Right-click the mouse. Switch to the T-line tool. Draw the knee line to the left. We use the intelligent pen tool. Vertically draw an auxiliary line downward from this point. Draw a horizontal auxiliary line to the left from this point. OK. Then we connect these two auxiliary lines. We select this line. Left-click on the line. Right-click on the bottom side. Next, we use the Move tool. Make a copy of these auxiliary lines we drew. Select the Mobile Copy toolbox to select it. Right-click the blank area and select the point. Make sure to see a 2 icon on the mouse when moving. If it's not multiply 2, we can hit the Shift button to switch. Next, we use the intelligent pen tool to draw the front crossbar line. Place the intelligent pen tool at this point. Double-click Enter. Place it at this point. Double-click Enter. And place it at this point. Double-click Enter. Then right-click the blank area. Then we draw the front crossbar line. We use the intelligent pen tool. First, extend this auxiliary line. Place the intelligent pen tool at this point. Double-click Enter. Place it at this point. Click Enter. Input left offset -1. OK. Place it at this point again. Click Enter. Enter the formula. open parenthesis, trouser opening divided by 4 plus 1, close parenthesis. And click OK. Then right-click the blank area. Then use the Intelligent Pen tool and extend this auxiliary line. Then place the Intelligent Pen tool at this point. Double-click Enter. Place it at this point. Click to enter. Input offset -1. OK. And put it here. Click Enter. Enter formula. Open parenthesis, trouser opening divided by 4 plus 1, close parenthesis. OK. Right-click the blank area. Then use the Compare Length tool. Click on the hip line. Record. In the table, Measurement var. Replace its name. Front drawing hip width. Here I abbreviate. OK. Next, we draw the cross line. First, use the mirror tool to select this axis of symmetry. And select the line we want to copy. Right-click the blank area. Right-click again to switch to Intelligent Pen. Place the Intelligent Pen tool on this point and press Enter. Enter left translation amount, -1.5. OK. Then put the Intelligent Pen tool on this point on the hip line. Double-click Enter. Now we find the point with a translation of 0.7. Double-click Enter, then right-click the blank area. We continue to use the Compare Length tool and record the offset we just found. And record it in the table, the measurement var. Change its name. Ease amount. OK. Then we open the table, edit. Uncheck the length. Enter front waist length. Enter back waist amount in the size section. OK. Since there are other measurements, click on it and then click Intra-Group Grade Difference. OK. Next, use the Intelligent Pen tool. Place it at this point. Click Enter. Enter -5. Then place the Intelligent Pen at this point on the hip circumference line. Click Enter. Enter the offset on the y-axis, too. OK. Right-click the mouse. Then, press the left mouse button to hold this line. And drag it out. Click any position. And enter the amount of translation, 2.5. OK. Then we select this line. Left-click this line. Click the crotch line. Then we extend this auxiliary line. Box it. Choose the waistline. Right-click on the inside. We continue to use the divider tool. Bisect this segment. Right-click the blank area to switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. Draw a vertical line downward from this point. Enter its length, front waist length. OK. Then, we use the Intelligent Pen tool. Draw a horizontal line in the blank area. Enter its formula. Open parenthesis front drafting hip circumference divided by 4 minus 1 close parenthesis. Front drafting hip circumference divided by 4 minus 1. OK. Then we use the Compare Length tool. Click it. Click it, and once it turns green, click Record. Open the table, the measurement var. Rename it Front Hip Waist Difference. OK. Next. Next, we use the V-Dart tool. Click the line. Click the line. Enter its formula. Open parenthesis front hip waist difference minus ease close parenthesis divided by 2. Okay. Now we use the mouse. Adjust the point on the green line. Right-click the blank area after completion. Next, draft the front crotch. Place the intelligent pen tool on this point. Press Enter. Enter the formula. Open parenthesis hip waist difference minus dart amount close parenthesis divided by 2. Here we offset the negative axis of the S-axis. We enter a negative sign. OK. Right-click the mouse. Switch to the T-line tool. Click any position. Select the pre-entered front waist length. OK. Then we change our line to a dotted line. Find the midpoint of this line. Draw a front crotch length. OK. Then we draw a diagonal line. Then we use the intelligent pen tool and drag this line out with the left mouse button. Click any position. Enter distance as 0.8. Number of lines, 1. OK. Then we select this line. Click the left and right lines with the left mouse button. We drag the newly drawn line out. Enter the number 3 here. The distance is 0.8. Select these 3 lines and click the 2 lines again. We draw one more line here. We can use the eraser tool to erase it. Next, we use the mirror tool. Select the axis of symmetry. Select the line we want to copy. Right-click the blank area. Next, we draft the pocket. Use the intelligent pen tool. Click at this point. Click it. Put it at this point. Click it. Left shoulder. Left click. Left click. Right click. Then from this point, double-click the Enter key. Connect with the line we just drew. Right-click the mouse. Next, right-click the blank area with the mouse to switch to the Modify tool. Adjust the dots on our hip line. Click anywhere after finishing. In this way, our pocket is drawn. Next, draft the front center seam. We continue to use the Modify tool. First, adjust the front crotch curve. Then we use the Intelligent Pen tool. Left-click and drag the front crotch curve. Click any position. Enter. Its translation value, 2. Translate by to units. OK. Next, we use the Intelligent Pen tool. To click the lower half of the front arc any position. Enter its offset value, 1. OK. Then right-click the mouse. Connect to the translated line. Marquee select these two lines. Right-click on the upper half of the inside. Then we use the Arc Contour tool. Click on these two lines. Drag the mouse inward to the desired position. Right-click the mouse. Switch the Round Corner tool to a smooth arc mode. Form a smooth arc as shown. Then right-click the mouse. OK. Now the front center seam drafting is complete. We use the Intelligent Pen tool. Marquee select the front center seam. Click the waistline. Right-click on the inside. Next, we use the Set Line Type tool. Replace our auxiliary line with a dotted line. And change the structure lines to bold lines. Then we use the Smart Pen tool to draw the hem. We click this point and place it at the midpoint. Hit Enter. Enter the y-axis offset of 0.5. OK. Connect to another point. Right-click the mouse.